Hello and welcome to another room tour, and we're in Morocco today in a town called Ifrane, staying at the Michlifen Resort. So let's get on with it. First things first, it's a very almost alpine-like resort, lots of wood, not what you typically might expect from a Moroccan hotel, but I guess that's a good thing. It's a little bit different. So first thing first, I'll just show you, that's the door we've come in. Immediately you've got a little hallway, you've got storage in here, so you've got your wardrobe space, some drawers, built-in safe, hangers, all very simple, rudimentary, but it's absolutely fine. I'll show you the bathroom in there in a moment, but this is what greets you when you come in. So you've got these cast iron radiators, really nice touch. Nice size, big double bed, which it literally looks like a marshmallow. Really nice. But there's a lot of detail all around here. Immediately feels nice and cozy, very warm. More radiators here. You've got some shelving area, mini bar in here. It's again pretty simple affair. There are a few soft drinks and some, I guess that's champagne. Very straightforward, but that's fine. And this very elaborate phone. We've got all the usual stuff, so I do like when you've got everything beside a bed, light wise, that you can turn off. I don't see, there is some plugs, but not very readily accessible on that side. Modest television, you've got a kettle, some tea, just simple breakfast tea, an espresso machine, typical really stuff. A nice little, this is a bit nicer, nice little welcome drink, bottle of water with some traditional nibbles, so they'll be enjoyed as soon as I'm finished with this. And over there, this is a decent enough desk space as well. Again, probably not the most practical in terms of plugs, we'll have to go looking for those, but still nice little dedicated space. And on this side, a plug, some USB ports beside the bed, so that's all pretty good. I will show you just outside, there is a balcony out here. Now it is a little bit dark at this time, so bear with me, but this is the view. Gives you a bit of an overview of the resort. So that's Ifrane over there, the main town. And yeah, very nice here. Kind of overcast, wet day today, but tomorrow is going to be better. But you can see this is a fairly tall, fairly big building. Now, next thing is, I'll show you the bathroom. Decent enough bathroom as well. I did have a quick look in already, and yeah, you've got some small vanity mirror, small big mirror, small main mirror, sink, small hair dryer. I did already check, that's a 1200 watt. I know some people like to know what the hair dryer is like, so not probably the best in terms of what you can have. You may want to bring your own. But it'll step up into the bath shower. It is actually quite a bit of a climb over there, and it's quite a deep bath as well, which is nice. And yeah, built-in shower, all very nice. Towels, plenty of towels actually, which is quite good. Same face towels. Some toiletries, all own brand stuff, but that's generally okay. And then in here you've got that, and you've got that, so you get both in here. And yeah, that's a bit of an overview of what it's like. This might not be the typical, most people when they come to Morocco, they usually come to Marrakesh or some of the more popular known bigger cities, but yeah, it's a little bit different. We're out in the countryside here a little bit, but yeah, so far so good. Hope you found this useful. Anything you want to know, get involved in the comments below. Any questions, we'll try and get them answered. please do subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and we'll put some details of the hotel in the description in terms of address, etc. So this is a standard double room. This is actually room 211, so it's on the second floor. And actually, very quickly, that's a bit of an overview of what it's like just on a slightly sunnier, brighter day, but gives you an idea of what this place is like. Thanks for watching.